Hi there, it's John from NETGEAR here at InfoComm 2025. Here to talk about our latest M4350 series switches. We have 4 new switches at the show. We have 3 of them in the rack, and the reason you can tell those, the way you can tell those is by the colored LED lights at the bottom. That's the first cool new feature of these M4350 switches. They match the color of the port to the color in the user interface. So if you color these ports blue for Dante, let's say, then the ports on the actual switch now will be blue as well. So they let you easily connect the cables to the right port, and there's less chance of a mix-up, whether it's behind the rack or in a dark place or whatever, or just in a brightly lit place. It's a much easier way of configuring a switch, and we've heard about that from customers for years, so we finally brought that out to market on these new M4350 switches. Something else that I can't show you here in the rack, but we've also helped the power connector on the back. So from the power switch, we have a little cover that fits over that connector, and also for the power cable itself, to help retain that as it's plugged in, like a zip tie sort of thing in the back. Those are helping to maintain power through accidental turn off or accidental power cable removal, whatever you want to call that. That's new on these M4350 switches. The biggest thing too for broadcast customers, not so much in the AV world, but for broadcast, these switches are capable of doing SMPTE, ST2110, the Grandmaster, and boundary clock. Those are very important for keeping precise time protocols on the broadcast application, so these switches also have that as well. We have a half rack version of one of these switches that you can put 2 together in the same rack if you wanted to, or put that other half rack somewhere else under a counter somewhere. So lots of options for that. You'll see fiber, all fiber options here with SFP plugs, and they have 100 gig uplink ports. We have some that are mixed fiber and copper, and some all copper. So we're really listening to the marketplace and making sure we bring out products that you want and you need to fulfill a specific need in the market. So these are more of the M4350 series line of switches. And to find out more about those, you can go to netgear.com/M4350.